Good morning friends. Today I am over here to explain you heat transfer. Heat transfer takes place in three ways: conduction, convection and radiation. When we are talking about conduction, when the heat transfer takes place through solids, the process is known as conduction because the particles are adjacent to each other and the heat transfer takes place in that. When we are talking about convection, generally transfer in liquid takes by convection. There are two types of convection. One is natural convection and the second one is forced convection. When we are talking about natural convection, we are not using anything. If we are heating water in beaker, that is the example of natural convection. But in the case we are putting stirrer inside the beaker, the process is forced convection. The particles are forced to move and that process is known as heat transfer by forced convection. The third one is radiation. Radiation is a type of heat transfer which generally takes place through gases. Also it is noted that there is no medium required for the heat transfer through radiation. We are getting heat of sun from the heat of sun through radiation on the earth, and that is the best example of that. When we are talking about conduction, it follows the Fourier's law, and according to the Fourier's law it is defined as Q is equal to minus Ka dt by dx. Here Q is the amount of heat transfer, K is thermal conductivity, A is area, T is temperature and X is the thickness of the material. So it is followed when the heat transfer takes place through conduction. Thank you.